Hello friends, this is Durga again from IT University, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. In this video, we will quickly talk about how to install Java on a Mac. Java is a very important tool for IT professionals, and by default, the Mac will not come with Java. You can validate that by launching the terminal and by running Java command. You can see that there is no Java runtime present. It is requesting to install. You can click on OK, or you can click on more info, which will take you to the link from where you can actually download the Java. So typically to run the Java, JRE is enough. JRE gives you the JVM. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, but it is better to download and install JDK rather than JRE. JDK also give the necessary packages to develop the applications. So I will highly recommend you to go with the JDK, not just JRE. And you can click on this one, JDK. You can accept the license agreement, and this is the link which you have to use. And then you can click on save file. It will take a moment to download depending upon the internet speed. And once it is downloaded, we will install the JDK and validate it to make sure that Java is running on our Mac. So now it is downloaded and I am installing it. Click on the package, double click on it, continue, install, give the password. And done. Now the Java is installed. Make sure you eject the installation. And go to the terminal. Now click on Java. Now you can see what that Java command is running successfully. You can also check Java version to confirm which version we have. Now we have 1.8.0_73 Java version. So this is how you can install Java, and you can start using it in many ways. The home directory, sometimes you need to know the home directory. So let me show you the home directory of that. If you are not sure about the home directory of any of the files or of any of the programs, I will highly recommend you to use this command line command sudo find, start from the root directory, and here I want to look for the file called Java and hit enter. This is one way to do that, and it will give you wherever Java is. Okay, so there are some of them could be directories, some of them could be files. So you can also say minus name Java and minus type. Yes, I just want to see the files. This is one way to look at. Another way is you can also say which Java, and it will give you the location of the file which it is trying to execute when you run the Java command without the fully qualified path. And you can do ls minus ltr on this user bin Java and hit enter. So this is the location of the Java file against which the link is created in user bin, so that you can access the Java command without giving the fully qualified path. But the main thing is you should know that under systems library frameworks is the one which will actually have the Java installed. So you can go to system library frameworks. So there are many frameworks and we are talking about Java framework. Okay, Java VM dot framework. ls minus ltr. There is several versions, current ls ltr. So this is the location where it internally installs. Sometimes you need to set up the Java home path. At that time we will see the actual location where um, the uh, the um, the Java home is. Okay, but at this time you just know that Java is installed, and this is where it will internally manages the versions, different versions of Java. You need to be aware of these things so that you can actually use the path whenever it is required. Yeah, so this is the command sudo find minus name java minus type f, and you can actually see the exact location where the JDK is installed. So you have to understand this one. This you will be using as Java home. Actually, this one. In Mac, you will be using this path as the Java home for other tools to work going forward, like Maven or any other tools that are required. This is the location you have to configure the Java home in your profile, or you have to export at the time. We will see that later, but make sure that you understand where our Java home is to make other tools working for you. Okay, for example, Maven requires JDK to be installed, and you have to export the Java home as the environment variable, and this is the value for the environment variable Java home for your Maven to work. So that being said, that's it. We have installed Java successfully on our Mac, and let's see how we can use these things going forward. Thank you. Bye.